In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a surcharge in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, and it's the quickest way to access the settings you need. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where Ownerrez lets you manage system-wide options, including fees, taxes, and other booking-related configurations. Since a surcharge affects how charges are added to reservations, this is the right place to set it up. After that, click on Surcharge. This opens the surcharge setup section where you can create a new fee that applies under specific circumstances. In this example, we're adding a cleaning fee, but the same overall process applies to other surcharge types as well. Next, select the surcharge type you want to create. For this walkthrough, choose the cleaning fee option. Picking the correct surcharge type is important because it determines how the fee is categorized and applied within your booking setup. Once that's selected, move on to the amount field and enter the fee you want to charge. This is the standard amount that guests will see and be charged when the surcharge applies. Be sure to enter the correct value, since this will directly affect reservation totals. You'll also see an optional short stay override amount field for stays of 2 nights or less. If you want shorter bookings to have a different surcharge amount, enter that here. This can be especially helpful if your operational costs are higher for quick turnovers. If you don't need a different amount for short stays, you can simply leave this optional field as is. Next, decide whether the surcharge is taxable. You'll typically turn this on or off depending on your local tax rules and how your business handles fee taxation. It's a good idea to confirm this setting carefully because it affects the final amount charged to the guest. After that, add any conditions for the surcharge. Conditions control when the fee should apply, so this is where you can fine-tune the setup based on your booking rules. Taking a moment here helps make sure the surcharge is only added when appropriate. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That will finalize the surcharge and add it to your Ownerrez setup. And that's it. Your surcharge is now created and ready to use. As a final tip, it's always worth reviewing the saved settings afterward to make sure the amount, tax option, and conditions were entered exactly as intended.